Hey guys, alright, so I got the 48-page wooden adjustable 10-inch loom from KB Looms or Knitting Board Looms. First, let's have a look at the box. Comes with 3 configurations. Okay. It gives you some simple rake or double knitting styles. It tells you you do that and then you do the opposite coming on the way back. Okay, let's open this one up and see what it looks like and everything it comes with. Now you guys know, or most of you know, I am a pretty big fan of KB Looms. They make extremely durable looms, so that's always really, really nice. Okay, so your directions go over a couple different stitches here, and it goes over how to cast off, end off anchor yarn, okay, how to fix if you use an anchor yarn, gives you directions for basic slippers, sewing them together, bold stripe berry cloth, I'm going to say that's it. Oh, no, there's another page. Little tote bag. Oh, diagonal scarf. That's it. The one pictured on the box. It doesn't really have picture instructions, but it does go through here. The first couple pages do have a lot of pictures in different directions. But the individual patterns are just the written patterns. Okay. That back in the box. Now let's see what all this loom comes with. Okay, we got a couple bolts, we got our loom tool, and I will show you how easy it is to change up the configuration of this loom. You can actually, let me see, you can take it like this. But see, look, it's not quite long enough. That's where these longer bolts come into play, which I'm not going to take these out right now. But you can use your longer bolts and put these in like this. And your loom is this big. Of course, when you tighten it up, you put them like that. That's if you want your loom that big. Now, if you want to do rake style, and you want the space in between to be super, super, super small, that way you'll get a tight knit, you can put it on like this. Now, this is the way that I would work on it most, because you can do it that way. Like I said, there's 3 different ways. You can do it this way, which I'll just do the top one, which gives you that much space. Or this way, which this way would be the way I would use it the most personally. That's just me. You put your washers back on. Oops. There you go. Alright, let's put this. I don't know how it went. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I think I got this. There we go. Alright, guys. This is your 48 peg, the 10-inch loom. So we will put this one back in the box if I can. I know it came out of the box, so I can put this in the box. Oh, my pattern paper's getting in the way. Alright guys, I'm going to try this again. Oh, I'm getting stuck on that very bottom piece of cardboard. Alright, I'm going to have to untape this, get it back down in there. I'm getting stuck on the inside lip of that. Anyway guys, I'm so excited to try this out. I actually have, it's actually right here so I can grab it. I want to say this one is the, I don't know what size this one is. It's the big one. I do have the big one. Now one thing that's nice, the large one does not come, there's these big slider pieces, but it is made to accommodate the big slider pieces. See how it has the slots on the inside here? The big one, which this one does too, all of them have it, I believe. All the ones like this. I want to say they all have that slider piece, the ones that, the all-in-one looms that come apart. So if it doesn't come with the loom, I don't know if you can purchase them separately or you just have to purchase another loom that has them with it. But they're really nice. Alright, I'm going to put that back. Alright guys, that is all I have for you on this loom. Sorry. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Let me know what your favorite projects are on this loom in the video comment section below. There will be direct links for this loom and everything in the video description below. So I hope this was an informative video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure your settings are set so that you will receive emails when new videos are posted. Alright guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.